if you've never done a deal before, okay, there's many ways to shortcut it, and that is to partner up with someone else that has. And when you do that, always lead with value. This is probably one of the biggest lessons that I've learned that many people seem to forget. It's always about me, 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 me. Here's what I want, and here's why I want it. I don't give a crap about what you want. And if you lead with that, no one cares. Instead, if you lead with if you ask what the other person needs, and you spare like no regard to yourself, and you just do all you can to support that other person to help them get to their goal. If you help them get to their goal first, they will certainly try to help you out next, right? That's ultimately what you have to do. That's first and foremost. That is one big piece of advice that I recommend for everybody. Never make it about you first, okay? Then connect up with the brokers. So I have a guide to brokers.com, totally free. Go put in your information, download it, and I go through explicit detail of how to connect with brokers to find the deals that you want. Because ultimately, if a broker gets a deal and they don't even know who you are, the chances of you getting access to it is probably zero, right? The closer you can build a relationship with the broker, the more likely you'll have access to deals that they may have access to, right? The brokers are the keys to the deals. It's not LoopNet. It's not Crexy. It's not the online MLS or whatever. None of those things have the deals that you're looking for. The deals that you're looking for are through brokers or people that are in the middle of the deal, because they're hustling to try to find those deals. And you need to connect with those people. Those are the people with the deals. Unless you connect directly with the seller. That's another way to do it too, right? That requires a great deal of effort. No matter what, there's effort involved, but you have to get started, ultimately is what it is. And what I just described, guidetobrokers.com, that'll get you at least on the path anyway, but it does take work to do this.